Hey there, future homeowners and savvy real estate investors. It's Luna Petty, your go-to guide for all things mortgage related. Today, we're diving deep into the wild world of the mortgage market. Strap in because I've got some juicy insights for you. Data dependent. It's a phrase that you've probably heard tossed around a lot lately, especially in financial markets and among the members of the Federal Reserve. But what does it really mean? It means that the economic data will shape the future path of interest rate decisions. Now, here's the thing. While rates always depend on the data outlook has been more uncertain than a game of musical chairs at times. It hasn't been this uncertain in years. Sometimes we're waiting for inflation and job growth to stop surging, and other times we're waiting for them to confirm and move in the other direction. Case in point, last Friday's job report. When job growth surpasses expectations, the default reaction is for rates to climb higher. And let me tell you, we did see some surprises in the jobs report. A payroll count of 303,000 versus a median forecast of 200,000. That's a huge difference. So it's no shocker that bonds lost ground and rates moved higher. But here's where it gets interesting. The size of last week's rate increase left many of us scratching our heads. The average lender was only modestly higher in rate. It's curious, isn't it? But maybe not incredibly surprising. Again, it boils down to the data. And although last Friday's job report is definitely a big deal, this week's consumer price index is even bigger. Last week's resilience could have a lot to do with the market holding its breath for the results coming in this Wednesday. So buckle up and stay tuned. This ride is just getting started. If you have any questions or need guidance navigating these turbulent waters, I'm here to help. Drop me a message and let's chart your course to success together. As your trusted real estate and mortgage broker, I'm here to help you every step of the way.